How to log into Wix website dashboard. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to log into Wix website dashboard. So first, you just have to simply type login Wix and click the very first link that you can see here. Now you have a few ways here on how to log in. You can use your email address, password. You can also log in using your Google account, your Facebook, your Apple, and there are other ways here, but for me the easiest way to log in is connect my Wix to my Google account. And this is the Wix dashboard. Here you can set up or you can create a new site. So all you have to do is click create new site and you can now start creating your website. So you can start from scratch or you can use one of their templates. Now if you tap start from scratch here, then basically this is what it looks like. You can add section, you can edit your section. It's more comfortable for you, especially if you want to be in control with your website. But if you want to use their templates as a beginner, if you're a beginner, then you can just simply go back and then tap template, look for the specific template that you want to use, and start with your Wix. So basically, that's how easy it is to log in to Wix website dashboard. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.